Hello world. Today I'm going to be showing you what I printed here. This is a mica casing, a mica rock casing that I made for my mica rock that I found. And the reason why I made this is because the mica rock is very fragile and it's one of the biggest mica rocks I've found so far. And I wanted to protect it, so I made a pendant to do that. These are pieces of plastic that I'm using to put in the front and back of the casing so no water or dust debris can get in there to protect the rock. Also, this is the back. I'm showing you, I already have some screws tapped in, which I just have them here so I don't lose them. I'm just going to take one out to show you what it looks like. This is a 1.5 millimeter diameter screw, and I'm using the screws to keep the back and the front of the mica casing together because I didn't want to use glue. And these pieces of plastic are cut into different tiny pieces, and that is because I want the casing to be tight when I close it, so as I said earlier, no water can go in, and dirt to protect the rock from breaking. Right here, this is the way I'm going to put the rock in because it looks the nicest. And now I'm going to grab the little tiny pieces of plastic that I'm going to use to cover the first layer of the rock. I also didn't realize I have this piece backwards, so I had to rearrange it and fix it. Like so. And sorry, I'm just trying to get a better look. It's hard to do this while looking at the camera. So I got this piece in there. Now I'm gonna grab one of the smaller pieces, and I'm gonna make the second clear layer. And it's getting kind of thick in here, but that's good. That's what we want. And now I'm gonna put the two little tiny pieces inside that go in here, so the other second layer doesn't move around as it would if the little pieces were in here. And now we're putting up the final plastic layer, which will protect the rock from shaking and moving around while I'm wearing the necklace. Now we're going to close the box together, and I'm trying to prevent the plastic from moving around because it's not allowing me to close the box. Now I'm going to grab my little handy dandy screwdriver, and I'm going to screw the first screw down, not all the way, just a little bit so it holds the lid in place. And now I'm going to do the other screw. This one I'm going to screw all the way, so because the screws are already in place, so I'm not worried about anything. Also, one thing you have to be careful when doing screwing things together when they're 3D printed, because, well, not only with 3D printed parts, but in general, you have to be careful not to tighten it too much because the plastic can crack, and that wouldn't be good. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It can be given to a girl or a guy. It really doesn't matter. I made this for myself because, as I said, I wanted to protect the rock and wear it. So yeah, this is, as you see, the rock is very fragile. This is a little piece of it. And yeah, so thank you for watching. This is it. See you guys next time.